Starting college can be exciting and a little overwhelming, but what if you had a head start? Summer Bridge gives incoming engineering students the chance to adjust before the fall semester begins.
You take real college classes, you meet other people that are going to be your friends, your fellow engineering students. Really, Summer Bridge is just an introduction to college life to make sure that you get started in the fall on the right track and you're successful as an engineering student.
I wanted to join the Summer Bridge program just to meet people who want to pursue a career in STEM just like I did. And I also just wanted to challenge myself so when I start my first semester of college, I have a straight linear shot to success.
So I really wanted to go into Summer Bridge just to prepare myself for college and to see if engineering was something that I really wanted to do. So I just started looking more into it and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go for software engineering.
Over 5 weeks, students will earn college credits, tackle real-world projects, and build a support network that lasts beyond graduation, all at no cost thanks to Ergon's generous support.
Mississippi State and Ergon have had a partnership for a long time. What we want to do is really create an opportunity for a group of students to really start out on the right foot as they start their college career.
So Summer Bridge has 2 goals and objectives. We really want our engineering students to be calculus ready or as close as possible to calculus ready in the fall. So it's a little hard and we need our community to help us get through. So you start building your community, networking, forming those professional relationships that are gonna support you through your college career.
I had like the feeling of this is just gonna be like summer school after reading all the instructions, but when I actually got into it, it was like I've not only met people and made connections, but I've kind of like grown to know Mississippi State, and it really sparked my love and interest to be an engineer.
There was a lot of opportunities to get to know everybody and make new friends, and I've met new people there that I still talk to almost every single day.
It wasn't just go to class, go back to your dorm, do homework. We had like game nights, movie nights. It was more of a community than I expected.
Learning is one thing, but applying it is another. The Engineering Design Project puts student skills to the test.
I am so excited about the engineering design project that our Summer Bridge students get to participate in. You get to get an example of what engineering is like in the real world.
They do a tank design, they do research, they learn about viscosity in the chemical engineering lab, they use Ergon asphalt in the civil engineering lab. They can ask information of our engineers and make sure we work alongside with them in those projects.
My struggle within this project was, where do I fit? I'm a software engineering major, but I also love math. I did pretty much all the calculations for the project.
My team actually won the first place prize for the project. The big challenge for that was we knew that we could get by with doing the same thing that everybody else was doing. We decided to do something innovative, and that was really the tough part.
I think that the project really helps students see the connection between what we're doing in the classroom and what we're doing in our labs to what they will be doing once they become a working engineer.
Yes, college is challenging, but Summer Bridge helps students learn how to manage the workload, build connections, and grow in confidence.
At first, I wasn't a big person that wanted to ask questions because I always wanted to do things on my own and just figure it out. But I realized in engineering, you can't get far if you don't ask questions.
I was exposed to different minds in a way, whether it be from the counselors, the staff, or even some of the other students. They really helped me acclimate to the campus in like ways that I know I never would have been able to if I wouldn't have came to the Summer Bridge program.
The biggest thing about college is you want to have friends. Someone that you know you can depend on and say, hey, that chemistry assignment, can we go do it together? I'm a little confused. And they'll be like, yes, let's go do it. And that was really helpful.
More than anything, Summer Bridge is about preparing students for success, not just in the classroom, but in their future careers.
Once I came here, explored like the CAS facilities, really saw everything they do, it was like, I feel like I could really do something here, and it feels like home ever since.
Summer Bridge did help me change the direction of my goals and what I wanted to pursue after college because it helped me to realize what it is I actually wanted to do.
To be an engineer means you're gonna get to do some amazing things, but you do need to get that foundation. You do need to understand those engineering principles and the scientific topics.
So that's what Ergon's trying to do. Ergon's trying to give back. Ergon's trying to support the faculty and staff at Mississippi State and help them graduate great engineers in the future.
You gotta buy in. If you don't, you're kind of not gonna be able to get that whole experience out of it.
Put yourself out there. Really push yourself to the limits of your creativity, what you can do.
put in whatever you want to get out of it, and don't be afraid to just take a step, take a leap.
Enjoy the process, enjoy the growing pains that you're going to experience, because you are going to experience some. Just enjoy the journey, because it's a very beneficial experience.
So giving you a glimpse and giving you a taste of what college life is like helps you kind of think about how you're going to approach success for you. I think that that's just a really wonderful opportunity for students, and I hope that they take advantage of it.
Summer Bridge is more than just a program. It's a launchpad for success. Take the first step toward your future in engineering. Visit us online today to start your journey.